Charles O'Malley. It's not a pleasant scene, and it's very difficult to imagine back then anybody coming along and walking along there and thinking that it could be restored and it could be brought back to life. But people did have the faith, people like Ian Batt, who was a member of the Dublin branch of the IWAI, and Ruth Delaney, and then communities all along the banks of the Royal Canal who got together. And if the canal is a testament to anything, it's a testament to community spirit and people coming together, putting pressure on politicians like Rory Quinn, Albert Reynolds. They were very much involved, like our President Higgins. He was very much involved and were in favour and did help. But this is what they were faced with, and an awful lot of the heavy lifting in the beginning was from voluntary groups, people getting together.